Are you ready to improve your English speaking skills in just 30 days? Let's get started.
I'm Michael.
And I'm Olivia. Welcome to QLip English.
Before we dive in, pause this video right now and write one sentence in the comments about what you want to achieve in the next 30 days. We'll personally reply and help you with it.
Go ahead. Pause now. Okay, welcome back.
Today we're giving you a complete plan to improve your English speaking skills in just 1 month. Not vague advice, a real day-by-day approach you can actually follow.
Most people think improving English speaking takes years. It doesn't. What it takes is the right daily actions done consistently for 30 days straight. Let's break it down.
Week 1. Build the foundation habit, speaking out loud. For the first 7 days, your only job is to speak English out loud for 5 minutes daily, describing your day. I woke up at 7. I made breakfast. I feel tired but ready. This feels small, but it retrains your mouth and brain to work together instead of translating silently.
Stick with us because week 2 is where things start to shift. Week 2. Add shadowing to your routine. Now that speaking out loud feels more natural, start shadowing native speakers. Listen to a short podcast clip or video and repeat immediately after them, copying their rhythm and speed. Do this for 5 to 7 minutes daily, in addition to your self-talk practice from week 1.
This is the point where many learners notice their pronunciation and flow improving noticeably, sometimes within just a few days.
Week 3. Practice real-life conversation topics. This week, focus your daily speaking practice on situations you actually face, talking about your job, ordering food, or explaining your weekend plans. I work as an accountant. I usually finish around 5 p.m. This weekend, I'm planning to visit my parents. This bridges the gap between practice and real conversations.
Here's something most learners skip in week 3, and it's actually crucial: recording yourself. Use your phone to record these conversation topics. Don't judge yourself, just save the recordings. You'll use them later for something powerful.
Week 4. Simulate real conversations and reflect on your progress. In the final week, try having a full, one-sided conversation about a topic for 2 to 3 minutes without stopping, like explaining a problem at work and how you solved it. This trains your brain to keep going in English even when you don't know every word.
Then here's the powerful part. Go back and listen to your week 3 recording and compare it to how you sound now in week 4. Almost every learner is shocked at the difference after just 3 weeks of consistent practice.
Let me give you a few bonus tips that make this 30-day plan even more effective. Bonus tip 1, don't skip days completely. Even 3 minutes counts more than 0 minutes. Consistency beats intensity every time.
Bonus tip 2, use connector words like because, but, and so to make your sentences longer and more natural instead of short, robotic phrases.
Bonus tip 3, review 1 day per week. On day 7, 14, 21, and 28, don't learn anything new, just review and repeat what you've already practiced. Repetition is what makes it stick long-term.
Let me share a real story. I had a student named Yusuf, 39 years old, who followed this exact 4-week structure. In week 1, he told me he felt silly talking to himself. By week 3, he stopped feeling that way completely. By day 30, he sent me a voice message in English explaining a work project in detail, something he said he could never have done a month earlier.
That's not talent, that's consistency, applied to the right structure for 30 days straight.
So here's your challenge, starting today. Follow this 4-week structure, 1 week at a time. Don't skip ahead. Trust the process, even in week 1 when it feels slow.
Come back here and tell us in the comments, which week are you most nervous about, and which one are you most excited to try?
If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to QLip English, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve their English speaking skills this month.
In the next video, we're going to reveal the 1% native listening secret, a lesson that has helped thousands of learners understand English much faster. You really don't want to miss it.
Thank you so much for watching. 30 days from now, you'll either have the same English skills you have today or completely different ones. The choice starts with today's practice.
Your voice is getting stronger every single day. Start now. See you in the next one. Bye.